महागणाधिपतये. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning. We are doing 27th problem, na? 27th is that right? Good morning. Everyone knows that online class is there. I didn't see many students. In a teacher's workshop, a number of teachers teaching French, Hindi, English, 48, 80, 144. French, Hindi, English. French, Hindi, English. 40, 48, 80, 144. Okay, respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required in each room. If in each room the same number of teachers are seated and all of them are of the same subject. So total how many teachers are there? 48, 80, 144. 128 plus 144. 128 plus 140. 120, 140, 260. 8 plus 4, 12. 272 teachers are participating in a program. 48 from French teachers, 80 Hindi teachers and 144 English teachers. Okay. And what is asking? So we need to allot the rooms for these teachers in such a way that each room contains same number of teachers, that too of same subject. Suppose room 1, 10 teachers. 10 teachers, French only. Room 2, 10 teachers. 10 teachers, French only. Means we need to allot, means how many number of rooms are required to allot same number of teachers in each room and they are of same subject. That is what he is asking. So what we have to do? We need to multiply, we need to find out HCF. HCF. Find out HCF, not LCM. Here you have to see that in each room maximum how many teachers that we can allot. Maximum. That is HCF we have to find out. So find out HCF, children. 2 power 4 into 3. And this is 2 power 4 into 5. And 144 2 power 4 into 3 square. Okay, na? So HCF of the data is 16. That means we need to allot 16 teachers in each room. We need to allot 16 teachers in each room. Okay, that is one. And second one is French, how many rooms are required? Hindi, how many rooms are required? English, how many rooms are required? For French, 48 by 16, which is 3, means for French language we need to have 3 rooms, and each room 16 teachers will be there. And Hindi, total teachers are 80, each room 16 teachers, we need to have 5 rooms. And 144 by 19, which is 6. No. 9. So for English language, total 144 teachers are there. In each room 16 teachers. We must have 9 rooms. So total number of rooms is required is 3 plus 5 plus 9, 17 rooms. So we need to have 17 rooms to accommodate all these 272 teachers. And each room contains 16 teachers, and that too same language. This is what the question is. Okay na? So ikkada HCF ane idea, how can we get it? HCF idea, see, you need to see maximum how many teachers can be accommodated in a room. Maximum teachers that can be accommodated in a room means HCF. Okay na? Satisfying the condition. We cannot club teachers of 2 different languages or 3 different languages in a room. That is the condition. Okay na? Next question. Textbook question only. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. We need to prove is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. Okay na? Very important sum. That to textbook sum only na? This is textbook sum only. Yeah. First one, you consider the first one tan theta by 1 minus cot theta. So it can be expressed as tan theta by 1 minus 1 by tan theta. So tan theta by tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay. Now this tan theta will go to numerator and it becomes tan square theta by tan theta minus 1. Simplification of the first one. Okay. Now, second one. Cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. 1 by tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. This becomes 1 by, no sorry, 1 minus tan theta. This becomes, this will be multiplied with the denominator tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Here, children, see I am changing the symbol here plus, instead of plus I am writing minus. 1 by tan theta into, instead of 1 minus tan theta I am writing tan theta minus 1. That is what you have to see. Here 1 minus tan theta is there and I wrote it as tan theta minus 1. So then this plus will be changed to minus. Okay. Now we need to take LCM here for these two fractions. So LCM is tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Tan theta into tan theta minus 1, and numerator you will get tan cube theta minus 1. Tan cube theta minus 1. Tan cube theta minus 1 we can write it as tan cube theta minus 1 cube, which is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1 get cancelled, the remaining is tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. So tan square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. We need to split like this. Now here 1 tan theta get cancelled. 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Now write tan theta is 1 sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta as cos theta by sin theta plus 1 aside. Now for these two only you take LCM, sin theta cos theta. Here you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. Am I audible? Hello? Yeah. Is the board visible? Is the board visible? Yeah. Aruna, ఇప్పుడు బెట్ క్లాక్ taking too much time. Yeah. Next question. Three years ago, Rashmi was thrice as old as Nazma. 10 years later, Rashmi will be twice as old as Nazma. How old are Rashmi and Nazma? So let the present age of Rashmi, Nazma, X years, Y years. So 3 years ago, Rashmi was X minus 3, Nazma Y minus 3. Okay. Ten years later, Rashmi X plus 10, Nazma Y plus 10. This is what you have to consider first. Present age of Rashmi X years and Nazma Y years. Okay. And 10 years later, Rashma X plus 10, Nazma Y plus 10. Now what is the first condition given? Thrice as old as X minus 3 is equal to 3 into Y minus 3. First condition. And second condition, 10 years later, Rashmi will be X plus 10 is equal to 2 into Y plus 10. Second condition.
Rashmi thrice as old as Nazma answered కదా అప్పుడు 3 of x minus 3 equals to y minus 3.
3 years ago, Rashmi was thrice as old as Nazma. And 10 years later, Rashmi was twice as old as Nazma. So present ages. Simplify and tell me the answer. Forty to 60. Next one. This is also textbook sum. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. AQ, BP, PQ are tangents to the circle. Prove that angle POQ is 90 degrees. Textbook problem. What is asking to prove? Angle POQ is 90. We have to prove angle POQ is 90. These are parallel tangents. AOB is the diameter. AOB is the diameter. Okay. Now, construction means this is tangent at R. PQ is tangent at R. Let it be. Join OR. Join OR. Now, children, what can you say about these two angles? Anyone? AQ, BP are two parallel tangents. AQ, BP are two parallel tangents. AOB at the end points of diameter AOB. At the end points of diameter AOB. Okay. And PQ is another tangent at R, and we need to prove that angle POQ is 90 degrees. PQ is tangent at R, so join OR, that is the construction. Join OR. Okay, na? Now, what can you say those two angles which are marked over there? What can you say about them? Can anyone say the reason why they are equal? Reason why they are equal? Anyone? Saying equal. If one says equal, the remaining all says equal. Just I want the reason why they are equal. Yeah, both the triangles are congruent. That is one reason. Triangles are congruent. Yes, triangle AOQ and ROQ are congruent. Or we can say that OQ is the bisector of angle between the radii as well as angle between the tangents. Even these two angles also equal. Okay, na? So I am naming these two angles as A, because they are equal, small a. Yeah, you have to prove those two triangles are congruent in the exam. Just I am not doing that one here. Now, even these two angles also equal. because these two triangles are congruent. This triangle also congruent, so these two angles are also equal. Okay. Now, given AOB diameter na, so angle AOB is 180. Angle AOB is 180. That means 2A plus 2B is 180. 2 of A plus B is 180. Then what is A plus B? I'm not writing all the proof. (90°). Good. AB is nothing but A plus C is nothing but angle POQ. Angle POQ is 90°. Okay. Next question. Yes. Next question. R question. A circle with center O and radius 8 centimeters inscribed in a quadrilateral ABCD, in which P, Q, R, S are the points of contact as shown in the figure. If AD is perpendicular to DC, BC 30 and BS 24, then find the length of DC. Find the length of DC. Understood, children? Yeah. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. And P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. And O is the center of the circle. What else is given? BC 30, BS 24. BC 30, BS 24. And radius 8 centimeters. Radius 8 centimeters. And AD, DC both are perpendicular to each other. And what we have to find out? Length of BC. This total length we need to find out. Okay, na? This is what the question is. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD perpendicular to DC and circle is inscribed into it. Okay, and radius of the circle inscribed into it is 8 centimeters, BS 24 and BC 30 centimeters. We need to calculate DC, side DC. Okay, na? Now, see, BS, BR, both are equal. BS and BR, both are equal. Tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal. So, if this is 24, this is also 24. Since BC is 30 and BR is 24, then RC will be 6 centimeters. If RC is 60, CQ is also 6 centimeters. CQ is also 6 centimeters. Now, we need to find out DQ. If we find out DQ, then we can have DQ plus QC is equal to DC. Okay, na? How to find out DQ? Here what you will do is join PO and OQ. Join PO and OQ. Here you can observe DQOP is a quadrilateral in which angle D is 90 degrees. Angle D is 90. Children, we know these two angles also 90. Angle OPD 90, angle OQD 90. Just I want the reason why they are 90 degrees. Angle OPD 90, OQD 90. Why angle OPD 90 and OQD 90? This is my question and you are giving a different answer. Radius drawn to the tangents are perpendicular bisectors. Abba Chirukuri Varshini. Adevantadi? Radius drawn to the tangents are perpendicular bisectors. Adevantadi? Yes, tangent is perpendicular to the radius at their point of contact. That is the actual statement. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at their point of contact. And some of you are saying that tangent is perpendicular to radius. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at their point of contact. That was the theorem statement. Now, since these three angles are equal, automatically fourth angle is also 90 degrees. Means these three angles are equal to 90. Fourth angle is also equal to 90. By angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Now, what is DQOP? What is DQOP now? Square. Niharika, is it a square? So every figure in which all angles are, each angle is 90, can be called as a square? I think then this board is also a square. And your book in your hands is also a square because each angle at the corners is 90 degrees. Rectangle, right? Now PQOD means DQOP is a rectangle, but a rectangle with adjacent sides equal is a square. DQOP is a rectangle and its adjacent sides also equal, so it is a square. Since DQOP is a square, this is also 8 centimeters. So 8 plus 6, 14 centimeters. DC is 14 centimeters. So you need to write each and every set. So why not a kite? Why not a kite? Kite lo each angle 90 degrees kadamma. Moksha vankaya. వంకాయలు మేడం నువ్వు తొందరగా స్పందించాలి. యూ నీడ్ టు రెస్పాండ్ క్విక్. ఇన్ కైట్ ఈచ్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 90 degrees. మేడం Next question. The difference between the outer and inner radii of a hollow right circular cylinder of length 14 centimeters is 1. Outer radii, inner radii. Inner radii let it be x, then outer radii will be x plus 1. The difference between outer and inner radii of a hollow right circular cylinder is of length 14 centimeters. Height 14 is given. So let the inner radii be x and outer radii one more, x plus 1. If the volume of the metal used to make the cylinder is 170, volume is given 176 centimeter cube. And we need to find out outer radii and inner radii both. Can anyone say what is volume of hollow cylinder? Volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder, children. Yes. Pi h into capital R square minus small r square. 22 by 7 into 14 into x plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 176. Is equal to 176. Now simplify, children. 2 times. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square is equal to 176 by 44. Simplify and tell me what is inner radius and outer radius. You need to expand this one. A plus b whole square expansion. X 1.5 అంటే ఇన్నర్ రేడియస్ 1.5. outer radius 2.5. Yeah. These two get cancelled 4 times. 2x plus 1 is 4. 2x is 3. X 3 by 2. Inner radius 3 by 2, outer radius 5 by 2. Inner radius 3 by 2, outer radius 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. Next, section D. An arc of a circle of radius 21 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc. Find the length of the arc. What is the length of the arc formula, children? Length of the arc. The area of minor segment of the circle made by the corresponding chord. Means area of minor segment he is asking. First length of the arc, yeah, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. After finding the length of the arc, you need to find out the area of segment, minor segment. Sector angle 60 degrees, radius 21 centimeters. Radius 60 degrees. No, theta 60 degrees. Length of the arc, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Sixty by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. 6 times, 3 times, 2 times, cancel. Length of the arc 22 centimeters. Length of the arc 2 centimeters, 22 centimeters. Now segment area. Area of segment. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. Find the value first. Sixty by 360, 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 minus half, 21 into 21 into sin 60. Six times 3, 3 twos, 2 11s. So 11 into 21 minus 441 root 3 by 2 centimeter square. Right. Sorry, root 3 by 4, correct. Not root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4, not root 3 by 2. Eleven into 21, it is 231. Next question. The sum of first 8 terms of AP is 32. S8 32. S8 30. And their product is 60. A1 into A2 of so on A8 60. The sum of first and eighth terms. Oh, first and eighth terms. Sorry. A1 plus A8 32. A1 into A8 is 60. Okay. Find the first term common difference of AB, hence find the sum of its first 20 terms. A1 plus A8 is 32, A1 into A8 is 60. We need to find out first term common difference and S20. Right. So A plus 7D 32. 2A plus 7D 32. And here A into A plus 7D 60. Seven D is equal to 32 minus 2A. We can write from the first equation and substitute. A into A plus 32 minus 2A is equal to 60. A into 32 minus A 60. 32A minus A square 60. 0 is equal to 60 plus A square minus 32A. Can we find out A now? Can we find out A? Do it. Do fractionation. A square minus 30a minus 2a plus 60 is equal to 0. A common a minus 30 minus 2 common a minus 30. So a minus 30, a minus 2, a 32. Now what is the common difference? 7d is equal to 32 minus 2 into 2. 7d is equal to 28. d4. If a is 2. If a is 2, d4. If a is 30, d minus 4. Now find out S20, children. Find out S20. S20. R question. In an AP of 40 terms, sum of first 9 terms is 153 and the sum of last 6 terms is 687. Determine the first term and the common difference of AP. Also find the sum of all the terms. S9 is given 153 and the sum of last 6 terms అంటే ఏమవుతాయి 40 terms కదా A35 A36 A37 A38 A39 A40 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to 637. Yeah, you can do that also. Last 6 terms. This is nothing but S40 minus S34. You have S9 and S40 minus S34. ఒకవేళ ఈ ఐడియా రాలేదనుకోండి, you can use this one. You will get 2 equations. 687, okay. Simplify and tell me what is A and D. Find A and D. You have 2 equations now. One is 9/2 into 2A plus 8D is equal to 153. 2 common A plus 4D. A plus 4D is equal to 153 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 6, 7s. A plus 4D is 17. Equation 1. A plus 4D is 17. Now second equation. Forty by 2 into 2A plus 39D minus 34 by 2 into 2A plus 33D is equal to 687. Simplify it. 20 times 40A plus 780D 17 times 34A minus 51 56 561D is equal to 687. Simplify. 6A plus 687. What 687, right? Answer 687. What is 687? Everyone is typing 687. Seven 561 9 1 2 219D is 687. 3 table 2A 73D 229. And from this 2A 8D 34. Multiply this one with 2. 2A plus 8D is equal to 34. Now simplify this. Subtraction, elimination. 65D is equal to 5 22 minus 8 19 195. then D is equal to 195 by 65, 3. D 3. Then what is A? If D is 3, what is A? A plus 4D 17, na? A plus 4 into 3, 17. A is equal to 17 minus 12, 5. A 5. D 3. A 5, D 3. And what is asking to find out? Also find the sum of all the terms of A, means S40. You have to find out S40. You have A, you have D, find out S40. Yeah. So that's all for today. Click on the like button and leave the class. Mahaganadhipataya. Children, click on the like button and leave the class. We'll meet again 9 o'clock tomorrow. Again at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Click on the like button, everyone. Bye.